What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Just got something. It's another messenger bag, and I wanted to check this out because it's 4 15-inch laptops, and this one says VONXURY here. So it's like Von Luxury, and guess what else has a Von in it? Peter Von Panda. It's like Austrian. Anyway, hey, listen. This is a beautiful bag. I just love the way this looks. It has a little bit of a rugged casual, but you know, kind of hipster tech startup kind of look. It's a canvas, and as you can see here, it's almost like a black denim, and it just feels great. It's got a little bit of thickness and rigidity to it, but it's soft. It's kind of like a pair of jeans, and I just love that look. It kind of even looks better as it kind of wears in. So you've got, obviously, the messenger bag just like that, and what you can see here is we have a nice, it's like a Cordura nylon strap around the back here, and as you can see, a nice large size handle with a leather grip on the top. That does not extend to the bottom, just on the top, and that matches that leather patch with the VONXURY here logo right there. Now if I take a look at the front here, we also have like a little canvas brown strap there. I think it's just for style, but on this side you have a little flap here and a zipper, kind of a antique brass looking pull on it, metal, and then this pocket goes right here, so my fingers are touching right here. So this pocket is square, and I'd call it about 8 inches by 8 inches square, so you can put stuff in here, have easy access to it, whether it's cords or a power bank, something like that. And then down here on the bottom of this flap you have 2 release buckles here, plastic, just like on a backpack, and again they're attached with like nylon, and they are attached right here, so you can adjust these, especially if you have, you know, thick things in here, so you can give it a little more play. And then as you can see here, what we have is a shoulder strap that is permanently attached. We have metal hardware, again, that kind of brass looking metal hardware here, and then a very thick you know what, I'm not going to say these are nylon. Actually, this down here looks like nylon, and this kind of looks like nylon maybe, but this looks more like a natural fiber, a cotton band here. It's like 1.5 inches or 2 inches thick, and then a nice big shoulder strap, again with this canvas denim material, and slightly padded, so that should feel nice, and again adjustable with metal hardware. So if I were to just throw this sucker on, again, I make everything look good, so kind of keep that in mind. But man, this looks great, and you know, you can throw it over your shoulder like this, and again, a nice big laptop capacity on it. So let's just keep going through this bad boy. We open up the flap here. What we have here is on the front kind of a 90% pocket, zipper all the way across here, and then this pocket is open up all the way. And what you might be able to see, it might be a little tough here, is we have 3 smaller pockets sewn on the back side, so you can put Post-its or pens or business cards, those types of things in there. But this is a really nice big pocket right on the front. And then up here on the top we actually have dual zipper pulls, and they go all the way to the shoulder straps here. And then inside we have this main pocket, and let me start with the front flap of it, because it is lined here, so we have kind of a nice polyester lining, and then we have a pocket, almost kind of like a purse pocket on that front flap. It's about 9 inches wide, and I'd say about 7 inches, 6 or 7 inches deep. And so this is going to be great for kind of smaller things, again, power bank, power cords, passports, wallet, keys, those types of things right in the front. And then on the back we have the laptop sleeve, elastic Velcro strap on the top to hold it in, and then a very large goes all the way to both sides laptop. You know, again, kind of advertises for the 15-inch laptop, but I think I don't know, I have like a 17-inch screen. I feel like I might be able to kind of squeeze it in there. But my 12-inch MacBook Pro would fit in there with plenty of room for some of his iPad friends. And then on this back flap here, we also have a pocket, a zippered pocket on the front, and this is a mesh front, and this is probably about, I'd call it 8 inches deep and almost a foot wide. So lots of different storage compartments in here. You have no problem kind of sorting things out so that you have easy and quick access to it. Really nice, man, and it just feels solid. Listen to those clicks. And again, really useful, especially if you're carrying a lot of tech with you. And if you look like a startup employee with a fleece vest, just kind of finishes out the look. So really awesome. I love this. And the best part about it is it's really affordable. So I love the fact that you can kind of get stylish, modern looking, very functional luggage without paying an arm and a leg. I mean, when I used to go to luggage stores and buy stuff, it's just unbelievable now how much better the quality and the product lineup is at a fraction of the price. So this thing is $35, believe it or not. So the VONXURY, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Go check it out. I will put a link to it in the description. You can pick it up on Amazon, and they have some different color available too. So if you want something that matches your style a little bit better, you absolutely can pick that up. So check it out. Link in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.